original black button. Oh, they're both here. Let's take this one because this is original.
Plus, it doesn't have that padding on the wall.
Or yeah, that's what I mean. Not original. They're both original, but oh wow, 19. It's a little hard to see with the light right above it, but that's all right.
I think it works about halfway up.
Trust which buttons?
Sure.
Actually, I'll take a look outside. Oh, here's the original button. Nice. Nice. I'm glad I didn't miss these. Here's your COP.
13, yep, it's when it starts working.
Am I blocking your view?
Nope, you're
okay,
fine.
Cool. Stopping on 8 or 7.
7.
First floor?
Yes.
You can't tell because they don't light up.
I know. Don't know if it's going up or down either.
Yeah, I like the genius who put the light right on top of this thing to make it hard to see the numbers.
Oh yeah.
Or make it hard to see which one's lit up.
That was the last redesign.
Yeah. I hear these things are getting replaced again.
Oh yeah.
Oh, take care.
Yeah.